welcome back or welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if it's you returning, welcome back, girl. So in today's video, I'm doing a curly bun. So I actually removed my passion twist, and these braids were meant to be thrown away. Okay, they were sitting there for a while. They were sitting on my chair and I was going to throw them away, but I was like, I can turn this into something useful, and I got this idea. And watch this next clip to see how I turn the cutout twist into this beautiful baby.
So here's a little tutorial on how I make the hair itself. All you need is a hair tie, and if I haven't told you already, I'm using my cutoff passion twist. These were actually very good, and I'm tying the hair multiple times around the hair tie until it forms a nice big bun. So this is what the bun is supposed to look like, very big and fluffy. Make sure you leave an open space so you can tie it around your hair. And yeah, let's get into it.
So we're actually going to make a bun with this, a curly bun. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. No, I ain't got corona, girl. Let me drink some water. Yes, I got my water. Okay. Fishables, really work. It's me and my friends. Work. Work it out. Work it out. Work. Cha-cha. Cha-cha. Work. It's TikTok, by the way. When you think you finished, and there's still that one braid. It's actually 5 o'clock. I need to post this video. Y'all, do you cry when combing out your hair? Cause I do. I know I do. I cry. I'm actually going to use my not Eco Styler, my Wetline Extreme. This baby right here. Don't forget our scarf. I'll look a bit bald, but don't. So I let it sit for 15 minutes That way I know it's going to be sleek. Okay. And the longer the better, how long you want to leave it on. Okay, I'm gonna go away, then I'm going to come back. Okay, so I'm back. I put on a little some. Okay, I think it's been over 15 minutes. I think it must be over an hour or half an hour, but I'm here. And this, now we're going to take this. Make sure you have an open space like this so you can tie it around your real hair or your hair. Yes, let me show you how I'm going to do it. This is also my first time, so okay, how am I going to do it? Like this. I'm going to put it, okay, let's get you guys a bit higher. You want to play around with it until you get your desired look. I'm leaving some pieces at the side, so it's a bit cute. Like that. Hey, how do you like it? So this is it. So this is the hairstyle, you guys. A curly bun hairstyle. How do you like it? Okay, you can't see it in the camera because it's showing you black, but my hair is a bit brown and this hair is a 1B and my hair is brown, so it doesn't really match, but in the camera it seems fine. Okay, no case. Okay, but yeah, this is the hairstyle. Okay, that was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked how this hairstyle turned out, give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, what are you doing? Make sure to click that big red subscribe button down there and it will really make my day. So yeah, see you in my next video, guys. Bye.